Dear students, let us now go to the next exercise, Roman number 7. Write the following in ascending order. Now, question number 1. 2456, 2465, 2565 and 2546. Now we have 4 numbers. We have to write them in ascending order. Can you tell me what is ascending order? Can you recall what do you mean by ascending order? Arranging the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. So we have to write or arrange the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Now what shall we do first? First we have to compare the numbers in the highest place. Which is the highest place here? Highest place is thousands. Now let us see what do we have in thousands place. The first number we have 2. Second number we have 2. Third number also we have 2. Fourth number also we have 2. That means all the 4 numbers are equal. So what shall we do now? Let us go to the next highest place. After thousands, which is the next highest place? It is hundreds. Very good. Now let's see hundreds. We have 4 here in hundreds place. We have 4 here in hundreds place. Here we have 5. Here we have 5. 2 places we have 4. And in 2 places we have 5. So when we compare 4 and 5, which is the smallest number? It is 4. We have 2 numbers where there is 4 in hundreds place. So first number is 2456, next number is 2465. Now, comparing all the 4, we came to know that these 2 numbers are smaller than these 2 numbers. Now out of these 2, which is the smallest number? Since we have hundreds same here, we have to move on to the next place. Which is the next place? Tens place. So let's see tens place. We have 5 here in tens place and 6 here in tens place. So which is the smallest of this and this, or 5 and 6? 5 is the smallest. So according to the method to write the ascending order, we need to write the smallest number first. So out of the 4, we found 2 were small. Now out of these 2, we found that this is the smallest number. So let us write this number first. Children, which order are we writing now? We are writing the ascending order. So let's write the first number, that is 2456. So next number should be 2465. Now let us compare the other 2 numbers, 2565 and 2546. Since the hundreds are same, let us see tens, 4 and 6 and 4. So out of 6 and 4, which is the smallest? 4 is smallest. So we need to write number with the 4 in tens place first. Then we have to write the number with the 6 in tens place next. So let us write number with 4 in the tens place, that is 2546. Last comes 2565. Let us look at the ascending order of the numbers. To 2456 followed by 2465, 2546 and 2565. Let us go to the second question. 5768, 5678, 5687, 5867. Let us compare the highest place, that is of thousands. We have 5000 here, 5 here, 5 here and 5 here. All the four numbers thousands place has the same value or the same number in thousands place. Now next what shall we do? We have to see to hundreds place. Let us see in hundreds place. We have 7 here, 6 here, 6 here and 8 here. So out of 7, 6, 6 and 8, which is the smallest number? Good. 6 is the smallest number, but we have two numbers which have 6 in hundreds place. So now again we need to compare this number and this number. Since thousands and hundreds are same, we have to now compare tens place. So we have 7 here in tens place and 8 here in tens place. So out of 7 and 8, which is smaller? 7 is smaller. So when we write the ascending order, the smallest of all the four should come first. So let us write this number first. And then let us write the next smallest number. This is the next smallest number. 5687. Now let us compare the remaining two numbers, that is 5768 and 5867. So out of these two we have only thousands same but hundreds are different, that is 700s here and 800s here. So out of 7 and 8, which is smaller? 7 is smaller. So we need to write this number next. Let us write 5768 and at the end we have to write the next number 5867. So the ascending order of the given number is 5678, 5687, 5768 and 5867. Let us go to the third question. Third question, 8901, 8910, 8109 and 8190. So here we can clearly see that the thousands are same. First two numbers, hundreds are same. Next two numbers, hundreds are same. So let us compare the hundreds. 9 and 9, 1 and 1. So out of 9, 9, 1 and 1, which is the smallest number? 1 is the smallest number. So let us compare the number in which we have 1 in hundreds place. That is this number and this number. So again now what shall we do? When thousands and hundreds are same, what are we supposed to do? Compare tens. 0 in tens place, 9 in tens place. So out of 0 and 9, which is the smallest number? 0 is the smallest number. So we have to write this number first. This is the second number. So now let's compare the first two numbers which have 9 in hundreds place. Again the same situation here. Thousands and hundreds are same. So again we need to compare tens place. We have 0 and 1 in tens place. So comparing 0 and 1, which is smaller? 0 is the smallest. So let us write the number that has 0 in tens place now. 8901, and at the end we have to write the number that has 1 in tens place. So now we got the number in ascending order. Will you please read out the answer? Good. Let us now move on to Roman number 8. Write the following numbers in descending order. So what do you mean by descending order? Just now we saw what was ascending order. Now we have to write in descending order. So tell me, what is descending order? Arranging the numbers from the biggest to the smallest. Method is same. First compare thousands. If the thousands are same, then we have to compare the next highest place, that is of hundreds. If even hundreds are same, we need to compare the next highest place, that is tens. Even if the tens are same, we have to compare units. Now let us begin. First step, let us compare thousands and see. We have 2, 3, 2, 3. So out of 2 and 3, which is the greatest? Which is the greatest? Out of 2 and 3, 3 is the greatest. Now we have two numbers that have 3 in thousands place. We have 3038 and 3830. Now see here, thousands are same. We have to compare hundreds. We have 0 in hundreds place, 8 here in hundreds place. So which is the biggest? Out of 0 and 8, 8 is the biggest. So we have to write this number first and this comes second. Yes. Next compare the number with 2 in thousands place, this and this number. Now out of these two we have to find out which is the greatest. Now 2 thousands are same. Both the numbers, even hundreds, are also same. Now what shall we do? Compare tens. 4 in tens place, 3 in tens place. So out of 4 and 3, which is great? 4 is greater than 3. So we have to write this number first. At the end we are left with one number, that is this. Let us write the number. And now we got the descending order for the given number. Let us read the answer. 3830, 3038, 2947 and 2930. Good. Let us go to the second question. 4892, 4982, 4082, 4792. All the four numbers, highest place is thousands and it is same. Now we have to move on to hundreds place. Very good. I hope you all are answering. We have 8 here in hundreds place, 9 here in hundreds place, 0 here in hundreds place and 7 here in hundreds place. 8, 9, 0, 7. So out of these four numbers, which is the greatest? 9 comes first, then comes 8, followed by 7 and at the end 0. So now let us write the number in that order. So the descending order: 4982, 4892, 4792 and 4082. Now let us go to the third question. 5678, 5778, 5878 and 5978. When we read this number, we heard 78, 78 in all the four numbers. Means tens and units are same in all the four numbers. But according to the method, we have to compare thousands first. So let us see thousands. 5, 5, 5 and 5. It is equal. So now what shall we do, children? We shall compare hundreds. Very good. Now let's see hundreds. 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. 6, 7, 8 and 9. Which is the greatest number? 9 is the greatest number. After 9 it is 8. After 8 it is 7. And after 7 it is 6. So let us write this number in reverse. So the descending order: 5,978, 5,878, 5,778 and 5,678.